How to get Google search bar back on Android screen. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding on how we can get off the Google search bar, this one right here on your screen if you have accidentally removed it. For example, let me just remove it. And you want it back, then in this video, we are going to show you exactly how we can do it. But before that, just go ahead and like our video and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any updates of our latest videos. So first thing you need to have is Google downloaded on your device. If you don't have Google, we can't add that on our screen. So if you don't have it, you can just go ahead and download Google in your device. Once it is downloaded, you're going to go to your home screen and you're going to long press on your home screen and you will be finding this interface on your screen. Once you see this, head over to the widget section and look for Google here. Scroll until you're able to find Google, and here you can find this Google. Drop it down and look for this Google search bar here. So you can find this option, you can just long press after you find it, and once you have customized it and set it up, it will be available on your home screen. And that is it. That is how you set up the Google screen bar search bar back on your Android screen as well by following up this method, which is super easy. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.